Very good day, students. Today we will deal with two topics. First topic is fetching data from multiple tables, and second topic is fetching data in faster way. So, in this we'll study today the first topic, that is joining. What do you mean by joining? A join is a query that combines rows from two or more tables. In join query, more than one table are listed in from clause. MySQL provides various type of joining. You can see first type is cross join or Cartesian product, second one is your equi join, and third one is your natural join. So first one, cross join or Cartesian join. What do you mean by cross join? It returns all possible concatenation of all rows from both the table. That is, one row of first table is joined with all the rows of the second row. Cartesian product join each row of one table with each row of another table. So if like first row have 6 rows and second table have 4 rows, then total number of rows in output will be what? 6 into 4, and this becomes the formula of Cartesian product. The number of rows into second table's row. Okay, total number of rows for after Cartesian product cardinality. What is the formula for cardinality? This is known as what? Cardinality. Okay, so what is the formula? Cardinality equal to cardinality of first row into cardinality of second row. You can see the example of this, like there are two rows, first one is two table, first one is color and second one is shade. You can see there are 3 entries are being mentioned in color table, and also in shades also there are 3 entries are being mentioned. So what will be the formula as per the cardinality? 3 into 3 equals to what? 9. 9 entries will get. The query, how we have to write the query, you can see select asterisk from shades comma color. Shades is what? Table 1 and comma color. Okay, shades, I have written shades comma color, so it will return light into red, then light into green, then light into blue, then cyan into red, cyan into green, then cyan into blue, then next silver into red, then silver into green, and then silver into blue. You can see the result also here, like see, select asterisk from shades. In shades you have light, silver, golden, and in color you can see red, yellow and green is there. So you can see the output how it is being mentioned here. See here. Okay, so here you can see first light is being mentioned with red, then silver with red, then golden with red. After that light, next light will be represented with red, then yellow, silver will be represented as yellow, then silver will be represented as green. So according to that the Cartesian product works. See, if you want to concatenate two table, okay, like see s name and name I want to concatenate. I don't want to make it in different columns, so I'll use their what? Concat function I'll use. Okay, select concat s name comma, there I want to give some space also, so I have given one space by entering the demo space there, comma name from shades comma color. Okay, next is equi-join. Second type of joining is what? Equi-join. The join in which columns are compared for equality is called what? Equi-join. A non-equi-join specifies condition with a non-equality operator. In equi-join we put what? Asterisk we put in the select list. Therefore the common column will appear twice in the output. In equi-join the common column will appear what? Twice time it will appear. To understand the output, let's take two table. One for employee contains employer table with the department number, and another for department contains department number and other department details. You can see one thing, whenever we join the tables we should have at least one column should be identical in should be common in both the tables. Okay, while joining you should remember that there should be one column should be there which is common in both the tables. Like in this part, their department number is common in both the table, in the employee and in department. See how it works. You can see the employee table, like employee number is there, e-name is there, department number is there, and salary is there. And in department there is department number, d name, and department head is there. Now we want to fetch details of employee along with its corresponding matching department. Like for Alam, department number is what? 10. So from department table it should show department number as 10 details and so on. See here, like I have joined with what? Select asterisk from employee comma department. From two departments field, fetch all the details. Where EMP is what? My first table. Dot department number is the common column name I have to write there in both the situation. Okay, employee dot department number is my common column which I have to mention there, equals to department dot department number. If this situation satisfy, then only I could be able to join my two tables. If department employee dot department number equal to department dot department number is not supporting, or it is not common, then it will be not able to join. Okay, see, when I am applying this query, then I will get the output as the following. Like employee number, first I want to display the employee table, so it will display the employee table. Next it will display the department number. But one thing you see, the common columns appear twice in the output. Okay, for employee table it will appear, then next it will appear for the department table also. Since okay, see, now you can see one more thing in the department number. How many departments were there? 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, so how the department, how it will represent, you can see, like in the employee table, wherever the 10th number is there, so the department name will be displayed as same thing, and the department head will be also the same. Like Alam is there, Alam's department number is 10, so in the department, the 10 department number will be 10, D name will be what? Sales for what? Alam, and department head will be what? For Alam, Ritika. Similarly, you can see the Emily also department number is what? 10, so its department name will be what? Sales, and department head will be what? Ritika. If I see Srijita, its department number is what? 20, so 20 what? Department name will be what? HR, and its department head will be what? Ankit. You can mention here, you can see in this table clearly. Okay, like see 10th, if the Alam's department number is 10, so department head is what? Ritika. You can see Chanop's department number is what? 10, so its department head is what? Ritika. According to this method only we could be able to join. See, from the above query we can observe that while doing equijoin we have to give equality condition or common column for both tables so that it picks related records. Otherwise it could not be able to pick the related records. Next, see, if you want to give the nickname for the table name, like I don't want to write the full employee, I don't want to write, so in the query itself you can write there, like select asterisk from employee EMP space, I want to give employee table as what? E, comma, department table as what? D. I have to mention there only. It is known as what? Table aliases. Okay, to give the nickname of the table name is known as what? Table aliases. Okay, where I will, in the condition when I have to write, in the previous case what I was writing, employee, I have to write full table name dot the name I have to write, column name I have to write. But in this case, if I give, in the previously only I have mentioned that my table name employee is being termed as what? E, and department will be termed as what? D. So in after giving the where clause, I will write the nickname only I will write. Okay, like E dot department number equals to D dot department number, where E is what? The employee table, and D is what? Your department table. Okay, the same condition you can see here. Next is natural join. The next joining part is what? Natural join. The join in which only one of the identical columns exist is called natural join. It is similar to what? Equijoin, except that duplicate columns are eliminated in natural join that would otherwise appear in equijoin. Only one difference is there. In equijoin there are duplicate columns are being mentioned, like see, if I will join two tables, so department number is being mentioned 2 times, but in natural natural join, the duplicacy will be removed. Only one time the department number will be shown. Okay, in natural number join, we specify the names of column to fetch in place of asterisk, which is responsible of appearing common column twice in output. Like see, select ename comma salary comma d head from emp e comma department d, where e dot department number equal to d dot department number. So here you can see in equijoin we were using what, asterisk, but in natural join we can take some of the specific columns we can mention. Okay, see here we are not giving asterisk like in equijoin, but we are giving list of columns to fetch. Okay. Next, natural join, you can see here also, select employee number comma ename comma department number comma dname comma d head from employee comma department, where employee dot department number equal to department dot department number. Since department number is what, column department number in field list is ambiguous, because department number is the common column which is used to combine two tables. Okay, so it will does not it won't represent the output. Okay, the reason of this error is what, the department number exists in both the tables. So in this case, if we are selecting or using only department number, then it becomes ambiguous, because it will not bring the duplicacy. In natural join it does not give us the duplicacy, but in equijoin we can have the duplicacy of two columns. Okay, to resolve this error, just qualify the common column by table name as table name dot column name. See here, like select employee number comma ename comma employee dot department number. Here we could not write only department number, but we have to give the employee dot department number from where it has been linked. See, table name dot column name we have to write, then only we can get the output of the department number. If so, we don't write there dot, we does not put with table, we does not connect the column, then we could not get the output of this column. Okay. Next is additional conditions in join. If you want to give some conditions also, like I want to get some output according to d name, that is HR, so I could give there, and operator is being used there. Okay, like select employee number comma ename, so and so columns I want to show from two tables, that is employee and department, where I want to join first, where employee dot department number equal to department dot department number. The department number is common in this two table, that's why I have used the equal operator by using this two column. And also I want to give one more condition, that is d name equal to HR, means I want to show only the department name that is of what, HR. Next, joining table using join clause of SQL. First one is what, select. Till now we have performed joining using what, traditional SQL method, which is common to most of the RDBMS software. Now we will learn MySQL style of joining using join clause. So MySQL support various options with join. First one is cross, natural, on, using. Okay, like see, Cartesian product using join. So see, select asterisk from shades, join color, this will join two parts. But like see, select asterisk from shades, cross join color, it will also join. Next, equijoin using join. Select asterisk from employee join department on employee dot department number equals to department dot department number. These all are the methods are being used. Okay, that method is also applied, and this one is also applied. For natural join using join, if you want to use natural join, then what you will do, select asterisk from employee natural join department, you will write. Next is left join. When using left join, all rows from first table, that is left hand side table, will be returned whether there are matches in second table or not. For the rows whose matching values are not found in second table, it will display what, null value. You can see here there are two tables. Select asterisk from employee, you can see there are the entries are being mentioned as employee number, e-name, department number and salary. And the second part is what, your project. In this you have P PID, P name and employee number. The common column is what? Employee number is being mentioned in this two table. Okay, first we have to remember the common table, that is what? Employee number. Suppose we want to select employee number comma name and P name from both the table. Okay, we have to select only this three column. Okay, and we want all the employee record must come whether employee is working on a project or not. So what will be the query for that? Select employee dot employee number. Since employee number is what? Your employee number is the common table, that's why we have to write employee dot employee number. If I want to fetch the data of what? Employee number column, so I have to write accordingly what? Employee dot employee number. Okay, comma e name comma P name. These three columns I have to display, that's why I have written here from which table I have to take employee. Left join project on employee dot employee number equal to project dot employee number. So what will be the output? 1 2 3 4 5 and all this output will be represented. Since in the fifth employee number there is PID and P name is what? Null. There is no entries are being mentioned, so it will represent as what? Null will be represented. Next is right join. This is same as left join only, but it has some other method. You can see when using right join, all rows from second table. In left join it was doing what? All rows from first table, but in right join all rows from second table it will select. Okay, that is right hand side table will be written whether there are matches in first table or not. For the rows whose matching values are not found in first table, it will display what? Null value. You can see there are two tables, select asterisk from employee and select asterisk from project. In this, for I want to show only PID, P name and E name. Okay, PID, P name and E name I want to show. So what is the common part here? Employee number is the common part. We have to remember this thing. So select PID comma P name comma E name from project. Right join employee on employee dot employee number equal to project dot employee number. So what will be the output? Since PID, in the PID the employee in the PID, since employee number when we are doing the right join, so what will be happen? In employee number there is the fifth number is being mentioned, but in PID there is no fifth ID, so it will be null. P name will be also null according to here the employee number. You can see here, like employee number. In this employee number the fifth column is not mentioned, so the PID and P name will be what? Null. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.